do.
Yeah, Amanda, you want pencil?
When we're teaching manicure, we never do this. Yeah. Oh, there's more. Okay, yeah. Look, watch me, look. We never do this. Never. This is how you do it. One hand in, hold it. Yeah? Right? Middle finger, can you see that? I'm balancing. Middle, side, side. Yes? Hold it with the middle finger. That's it, 3 times. So I want you all to do that. We're going to do it together. Wipe off and you're going to protect your nails, yeah? So hold it like so. I'm going to get another one in a minute. And I want you to do, you're going to do it in a minute. Go on. Right, go. You come. So you need to hold everything into one hand. Yeah?
No, Mama.
So, yeah, remember? So we're doing this. Yeah? It looks easy, but it's hard. Yeah? Yeah? Do that one. Go. I know. Go. Yes. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Well. So that's how they teach you. So if you go to a course, they fail you if you just put it on there. You have to hold it like so. They will fail you. Because remember, I told you, I've been teaching for 20 years.
Let me do for you.
Yeah, I'm a teacher. I'm a lecturer. So I teach people to become coaches. So I'm teaching you what students pay £1,500 to do this course. I'm teaching you for free. Yeah, so morning college is a college in the West Indian. I'm the lecturer there. So I've been teaching them for over 20 years. That's it. So well done. Hold it. You know what you forgot to do? You got to wipe. Look. Stay where you are. Wipe it first. Always wipe. Left hand. Balance is too much. 1, 2, 3. Notice. So hold it in this one. That one. Yeah. Next one. Go now. Go. Oh yeah. Go. Wipe it. Wipe it. Which one you doing? Yeah, go. That's it, got it. Keep going. And again, the other one, hold it, wipe it. Right, go. 1, 2. Well done. So when you do middle, side, side, hold it. Yeah, wipe it. Wipe what you do, dip, wipe only one side. Yeah, and then you turn it, and then you do that. Try it now. We're teaching how to polish now, Beck. We're teaching how to apply varnish. Middle, side, side to side. Yeah, so hold it. That's it. That's it.
Thank you.
So this will protect. Next one. Who's next? Come. You wanna do that? So when you're come for that as well. So hold it. Yeah. So yeah, hold it right. Stretch it out. Wipe. And middle, side, side. That's it. Hold it. So hold it. That thumb. Balance. Go. Middle, side, side. Perfect. Yeah. So that's what we're doing. So if you had a bright red colour, you've got control. Yeah. So when we're teaching at the exam, everyone has a bright red, so we can see the